Hello YouTube. I'll film this bit here, and of course there's space, whatever. There's a planet or a star or Batman or something. Faked. All faked by the Fallen. Anyway, I'm filming this at this stage because this is a transition from daylight to space starting to happen. You can see it getting dark around this end here, and I'll pause it there. But you know, there's a lot to be talked about as far as the protection of Earth. If you think in the terms of being on a sphere spinning 1,000 miles east, 1,000 miles an hour east, and hurtling around the sun at 67,000 miles an hour, and then hurtling along into infinity, which I still haven't found out how that was measured, and at some 600,000 miles an hour, whatever. This is showing you how that is not the truth. There's no magic barrier. There's no re-entry. You got to realise re-entry doesn't exist. It's nonsense. You know, more to come, but if we are hurtling through space at those speeds, I'd like you to have a look at this film. Oh, same film as before. Old Holliston. Yeah. Yep, still. Don't know where that 1,000 miles an hour comes from. But anyway, there's no magic thing to stop Earth from hitting something. Supposedly, if we're a sphere and there's all this space junk out, have a look at one of my vids not that far back on how they're cleaning up space junk in space. That's a good one. Anyway, off track. Sorry. We're protected. And you know, that's the paramount thing. We're protected by the dome. I mean, I'll wait till nightfall. And there we have a space evening. A few stars out there, so you can see, just on the mobile. So here, this is space, everybody. We're not doing those speeds. You've got to think about many things. At the gyroscope, there's a magnetic compass. It all works on a plane. It's stationary, flat plane. And my point is this is the dome. There is no space as we know it, as we've been told. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. You know, there's many songs over since day dot of music telling us. Anyway, here's the deal. This is nighttime. This is under the dome. Those stars, that star there is very close. Just start thinking about it. A planet, probably Mars or something, whatever it is, I don't know. It doesn't matter, it's faked by the Fallen, okay? And that gets deep, but point is I'm pointing out daylight to space evening. This is what you're looking at. This is the space. Sorry, I'm running out of storage. Cheers, KJ.